Hello, good day, welcome back once again. Today we have this nice Olympiad mathematics problem and we're going to solve for the values of x. We have x squared minus 2 all squared. This is equal to x squared plus 2. Now let's get started. Let us first take note of this nice identity. We have here a minus b squared. This is equal to a plus b squared, then minus 4 times a times b. So this property here, we're going to apply it at the left hand side of this equation. We have here a minus sign and here we have a minus sign. So it is applicable here. Remember that this whole thing is squared and this whole thing here is squared. So for the left hand side, let us make use of this property. So the left hand side of the equation will become x squared plus 2 squared minus 4ab. In this case, it will be 4 times x squared times 2, which is 8x squared. And from the right hand side, this is equal to x squared plus 2. So you can see that we can make a very nice substitution here. We have x squared plus 2 and we have x squared plus 2. So we're going to let x squared plus 2 equals y. So here, remember we have x squared here, so we need to solve for x squared. So we can say that x squared is equal to y minus 2. So here, x squared plus 2 squared will become y squared minus 8 into brackets. The value for x squared in terms of y is y minus 2. Then this is equal to x squared plus 2, which is y. So in our next step, we're going to open this bracket. So we have here y squared, negative 8 times y will give us negative 8y. Negative 8 times negative 2 will give us positive 16. Remember, we're subtracting that y from the right hand side, and this will be equal to 0. So from here, let's simplify a little bit. So negative 8y minus y will give us negative 9y. We have here plus 16, and this is equal to 0. So from here, we're going to make use of the general quadratic formula, right? So this will be y is equal to negative b will be negative minus 9, which is 9, plus or minus square root of b squared will be negative 9 squared, which is 81. Minus 4 times a times c, that is 4 times 1 times 16, which is 64. Then we are dividing the whole of this by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. So this will be equal to 9 plus or minus the square root of, so this right over here will be 20. Is that 27? Let's see. So here, let us take notes of something here. We have negative 9 squared, which is 81, right? Then 4 times a times c, which is 64. So this will be 17, right? So this is 17. So we're dividing by 2, right? Okay, so we have found y is equal to 9 plus root of 17 divided by 2. And we also have y is equal to 9 minus root of 17 divided by 2. Let us recall back once again that x squared plus 2 is equal to y, of which we saw for x squared earlier that x squared is equal to y minus 2. Then to solve for x, we take root of both sides, so we have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of y minus 2. So first of all, let us solve for y minus 2, right? So from the left hand side here, we have y is equal to that. Splitting this denominator, we have 9 over 2 plus root of 17 divided by 2. So we're subtracting 2, right? So if you subtract 2, oh, that is x squared. Oh, sorry for that. This should be x squared. And no more y, right? So x squared is equal to y minus 2. So this will be x squared is equal to this y here minus 2. So I'm so sorry for this. This should be x squared. So we're subtracting 2, which we can make a denominator that will be equal with these denominators here. So let us put it as 4 all over 2. We all know 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we can easily subtract 4 over 2 from 9 over 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that will be 5 all over 2, right? Then plus root of 17 divided by 2. So from the right hand side here, we have x squared is equal to y here 9 over 2 minus root of 17 over 2. We're subtracting 2, so put it 4 all over 2. So we can see this will give us the conjugate of this. So we have x squared from here is equal to 5 all over 2 minus root of 17 divided by 2. So from here we can solve for the value of x by taking root of both sides. So here we have our solutions. X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. We can make a single denominator now, so root of 17 divided by 2. And from here x is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 minus root of 17 divided by 2. So now let's put these whole values out. So we have here x1 is equal to square root of 5 plus root of 17 divided by 2. So we have x2 is equal to negative square root of 5 plus root of 17 divided by 2. So we have x3 is equal to square root of 5 minus root of 17 divided by 2. And finally, we have x4. So we have 4 solutions, right? Is equal to negative square root of 5 minus square root of 17 divided by 2. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.